Welcome to the short segment to AlphaCars YouTube channel. Here we're going to show for this Mercedes 2008 E350 Sport with a little over 50,000 miles. Ian did a great video, and then we later learned that this car has a couple of other cool features that we actually added to the vehicle, so now we want to introduce them to you. So the Mercedes is an awesome value. 2008, 50,000 miles. It will go many thousands, tens of thousands of happy miles. But to be happy miles, you have to have a little bit of music, and occasionally you may have to take some phone calls in a safe manner. So what we did, we added a Mercedes factory Bluetooth integration, and we're gonna get the camera here and we're gonna show it to you. So right here you can see this Mercedes plug-in module, and what this module does, it replaces a phone, because in 2008, before the Bluetooth, you would actually take your own phone and you would slide it into the cradle for that specific phone, which you would have to order from Mercedes. There used to be a website, MB, Ian, do you remember what it was?
I don't know off the top of my head.
MB wireless for Mercedes, or
wireless for MB.
Oh, wireless for MB.com. We checked, we didn't think it existed, but we still had the Bluetooth adapter. They used to be $500-600, but we just showed it to you. We plugged it in, and then I paired my phone with it. This is an iPhone with the case with the keyboard, so it's just a regular iPhone you might have. You may have an Android. Any device that has Bluetooth will connect to this hands-free module. And this module was designed to simply receive and make phone calls. So you can actually make phone calls right from here. You can go, so you can go like 978-263-9000, which is AlphaCars. Okay, so that it says MB phone system, and then if I select one, that would go to
this
sales,
may be monitored for training and quality purposes.
and then the other feature that we added is a plug-in. So this car has already from the factory an iPod integration kit, and then we plugged in Bluetooth integration module, and that module, what it does, it connects your Bluetooth enabled audio device, could be your phone, through Bluetooth to play audio. This is not for hands-free phone calls, but this is for audio. So if I have and I'll show you how it is set up in the Bluetooth devices. So on your devices you would see MB phone system, it says connected, and then you would see DockLink Q connected. So these are, one is the hands-free Bluetooth profile, and then the other one is the music Bluetooth profile. So that's why they could be connected both at the same time. If you try to connect two music profiles or two phone profiles, it wouldn't work. But this would work. Actually, this little device supports up to 2 Bluetooth devices, so you can have 2 Bluetooth devices for the music to be connected, and whichever device connects first would play the music. So let's play some music. Actually, this would not be music. This is the video for this Mercedes. So let's check this out.
Now let's take a close look at this E350.
So here's the video, and it plays through the car, which is awesome.
First, let's do.
And this is the Mercedes. We're in this Mercedes right now. And as you can see, I am controlling audio from the Mercedes audio system, and if I needed to move ahead or back through my tracks, that would be through here. And if I wanted to go and play some music, that wouldn't be a problem. I just need to get to my music source and play some music. We're not going to play too much music because we don't want this to be, we don't want to be flagged.
Nope,
But
no copyright
no
strikes.
copyright. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this very helpful segment, because if you're considering this Mercedes, this is really all most drivers would need to be happy in the car. What do we need to be happy? We need to be safe. Mercedes is very safe. We need to, for the car to be reliable. Mercedes this year, 2008, is extremely reliable. We also need to be cost efficient. Being 2008, it doesn't have as much complexity while still having all kinds of airbags, all kinds of traction control, stability control system, but it's not overly complex, and it could be serviced by a majority of the service shops. And as we said early in the video, we need to have a little bit of music and take phone calls from our close ones. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button.